हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू शिप इंडियन क्लासेस और मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट अक्षता साहा। इस वीडियो में हम हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन के अर्बन प्लानिंग और डिक्लाइन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। अगर आप नए हैं तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आपको हमारे सारे नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। So we're going to talk about the extent, the urban planning and decline of Harappan civilization. हड़प्पन civilization का total area है 1.3 million square kilometer and it is one of the largest among the Asian civilization. हड़प्पन कल्चर के इन्फ्लुएंसेस पंजाब से नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न फ्रंटियर प्रोविंसेस बलूचिस्तान, राजस्थान, यूपी, गुजरात और बहुत सारे और साउथ इंडियन से है. It is extend from the Sutangor in the west to Amlapur in the east and from Mandala in the north to Bhavgrata in Narmada estuary in the south. Origin of the civilization. बहुत सारे beliefs थे कि जो इंडस वाली सिविलाइजेशन है वो इंडिजिनियस सिविलाइजेशन नहीं है. इट केम इनटू एन एग्जिस्टेंस बिकॉज ऑफ द सडन माइग्रेशन ऑफ पीपल इनटू द इंडस बेसिन. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि एक अर्बन सिविलाइजेशंस में से कुछ लोगों ने माइग्रेट करके उन्होंने इंडस बेसिन में अपना सिविलाइजेशन चालू किया जिसकी वजह से ये हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन बना. बट अभी रिसेंट रिसर्च हैज शोन द सिविलाइजेशन वाज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ अ लोकल विलेज. अर्बन प्लानिंग. कहा जाता है कि द सुमेरियन सिटीज़ इन मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन से अगर हम अर्बन प्लानिंग को डिफ्रेंशिएट करें तो सुमेरियन सिटीज़ वर मेजरली बिल्ट अराउंड टेम्पल्स इन अ सर्कुलर पैटर्न, बट हड़प्पन civilization was mostly a rigid pattern of a square, triangle or a rectangle. Town planning. Each city of the civilizations was divided into two parts, the elevated area known as the citadel and the lower area. The citadel was separated from a large town. It consists of important people as well as important places, that is the Great Bath, Granary, Assembly Halls, and located in Seattle. Roads of Harappan civilizations were well laid in straight line which intersect each other at right angle. The main road in Mohenjo-daro was about 10.5 meters wide and 800 meters long. The city of Harappan is well developed drainage system. हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन को कहा जाता है कि उनका जो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम था बहुत ही वेल डेवलप था. उसे एक्चुअली अगर हम रीसेंट ड्रेनेज सिस्टम से कंपेयर करें तो बहुत सिमिलैरिटीज़ मिलेगी बिकॉज दे हैड प्रोवाइडेड स्लोप फॉर अ गुड फ्लो ऑफ वाटर. ईच ड्रेन वॉज कवर्ड as well as there were some holes for the passage of regular air. The streets cross the main road at wild angle, dividing the city into squares, all rectangular boxes. The house of streets corner were rounded to allow carts to pass easily. जो house के जो corners थे building में उसे एकदम rigid नहीं, एक सर्कुलर पाथ दिया जाता था ताकि जो कार्ट्स पास बेसिकली उस समय बुलक कार्ट्स से ट्रैवलर होते थे तो इसीलिए उसके ईजी मूवमेंट के लिए उन घरों को राउंड शेप में किया जाता था. Houses. The houses in the cities were built on a high mound to protect them from flood. Each house had a covered drain which was connected to the street drain. Houses found in cities were either one story or two stories. Rooms were built around the courtyard with basic features of house planning. अर्बन सिविलाइजेशन का अगर हम हाउस प्लानिंग देखें तो इट वॉज नॉट ओनली अ ग्राउंड फ्लोर, इट वॉज 2 story और 3 story बिल्डिंग which has a well developed system. That is, they had wells, they had sheltered kitchens, they had 2 to 3 rooms, and even the drains which were in the house were connected to the street drains. और घरों को हाई माउंट में बिल्ड किया जाता था ताकि उन्हें फ्लड से प्रोटेक्ट कर सकें. Most of the house has a separate bathing area and in some houses well has also been discovered. Each house has door, windows and ventilators. Doors and windows open on the sides of street and not on the main road. इसे भी ध्यान रखा गया है कि जो डोर्स है एंड विंडोज़ है वो किस साइड पे ओपन हो सके, दैट इज़ स्ट्रीट्स पे, मेन रोड पे नहीं. जो हाउसेस है उन पे अच्छे से वेंटिलेटर, दे हैड अ सेपरेट बार्टिंग एरिया, वेल्स. Kitchen was placed in a shelter corner and ground floor contained storage rooms and well chambers. जिस तरह अगर देखा जाए इस पिक्चर में rectangular houses थे, they had a very great planning. Two-story buildings है with wells in each house. That is why the planning of Harappan civilization is known as well developed. Next, we are gonna talk about granaries. Granaries were found in several sites such as Harappa, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro. At Mohenjo-daro, the granary were 445.71 meters in length and 15.23 meters in breadth. The measurements need not to be low. 2 rows of 6 granary each were found in Harappa. Working floors consisting of rows of circular brick platforms were discovered at the south of the granaries in Harappa. It is believed that it was built for threshing grains, as the remains of grains of wheat or barley were found in the surfaces of the floors. Near the granaries, 2-roomed barricades have been found, which might has been housed to labor. The granaries were built on a raised platform to protect it from flood. The location of Harappa near the river Ravi suggests that the food grains were brought to this place by boat. It was built on a raised platform. The granaries have ventilation to prevent grains from becoming mildewed. They had a very good way of preserving things, that was granary weeks. There were two rows of 6 granaries found in each place. They were built in a raised platforms. से एक हाई माउंट प्लेटफॉर्म में बिल्ड किया गया था टू प्रोटेक्ट इट फ्रॉम फ्लड. ये कालीबंगल, मोहनजोदारो, हड़प्पा और लोथल में पाए जाते हैं. Next is trade. There is enough evidence to prove that the people of Harappan civilization had trade relationship with many countries. Obviously, it is a civilization, it's a nation civilization, so there was a use of barter system. Barter system से हम ट्रेड करते थे. हड़प्पा, मोहनजोदारो, बानवाली एंड बानकोट ये सेंटर्स थे बैंगल मेकिंग के. बीड मेकिंग भी किया जा सकता था एक्सक्लूसिवली इन लोथल. Lothal, Sukota and Bakota were the centers with relationship with Mesopotamian and West Asian countries. A trading colony was set up in northern Afghanistan to facilitate trades with Central Asia. इससे ये पता चलता है कि हड़प्पन सिर्फ मोहनजोदारो, लोथल से नहीं, मेसोपोटामियन जो वेस्टर्न एशियन कंट्रीज़ है, सेंट्रल एशियन कंट्रीज़ है, उनसे भी ट्रेड रिलेशनशिप्स रखते थे. Harappan people had trade relationships within India as well as with countries outside India. The Mesopotamian text of the same period refers to the trade relationship with Mehlua, which was the ancient name given to Indus region. Mehlua, हम Indus region को मेहलुआ के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. ये हमें Mesopotamian के scripts में से मिला था. With no clear evidence of currency and money being used, they must have been a through of barter system. उस टाइम पे मनी, करेंसी के कोई भी जगह यूज़ नहीं होता था. एक्चुअली डिस्कवर ही नहीं हुआ था उस समय. दैट्स वाई बार्टर सिस्टम यूज़ किया जाता है. Weights and measurements. Many stones have been discovered with several excavations. The basic units was 16 equals to 14 grams today. Large weights were in multiples of 16 like 32, 48, 64 and so on. Smallers were in the fraction of 16. स्टोन्स पाए जाते थे. ऑब्वियसली वो लोग मेजर करके देते थे. तो उस समय जो बेसिक यूनिट था वो 16 यूनिट्स के यूज़ करते थे एंड लार्जर यूज टू बी द मल्टीपल ऑफ 16. ट्रांसपोर्ट. बोट, शिप्स, बुलक कार्ट, हॉर्स कार्ट्स ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए यूज़ किए जाते थे, और शिप्स भी, जिसमें लोथल में टेराकोटा मॉडल पाया गया था शिप का, जिससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि शिप भी यूज़ किया गया था ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए. Art and craft. In Harappan cities, many figurines of clay, terracotta, bullock carts, plough has been found. Many beads, vases, plates has been found. While copper and bronze were used for making tools, weapons, and vesselaries, gold and silver was used for making ornaments. Glossy, shiny potteries were made by potters in Harappa. Eastern vessels and potteries were decorated with black geometrical designs. These shows the skilled craftsmanship of the people. The goldsmiths made jewelries of silver, gold, and precious stones. Harappa also knew the art of bead making. हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन में माना जाता है कि बहुत ही स्किल्स क्राफ्ट्समैन पीपल विथ हाई डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एरिया एंड आर्ट वो देयर. जैसे हमने बात की थी डांसिंग गर्ल और योगी की, उसी तरह sculpture. The Harappan artists were great sculptors. Many stone images have been found, and among those, an image of a yogi wearing a shawl on his left arm is well known, and the bronze statue of a dancing girl is also another brilliant piece of art, as I was telling you about the dancing girl and the yogi. Apart from these, several bronze figures was used. There is a special process known as lost wax process used. ये प्रोसेस मेटल स्टैचूज़ बनाने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते थे. फर्स्ट वो जो फिगर है वो वैक्स से क्रिएट किया जाता था, देन उसके ऊपर एक क्ले कोट बना दिया जाता था, एंड उसके बाद उस वैक्स को निकाल के उसमें हीटेड मोल्टन मेटल डाल देते थे, जिस वजह से वो मेटल उस शेप का हो जाता था. दिस इज़ हाउ द मेटल स्टैचू एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वॉज क्रिएटेड. Decline of civilization. The Harappan civilization seems to have declined during 18,000 BC. Some factors that are believed to lead to the decline. बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स थे. बेसिक रीज़न नहीं पता है कि वाई द सिविलाइजेशन गॉट एक्सटेंड, बट बोल सकते हैं कि इन फैक्टर्स से हो सकता है. द चांसेस ऑफ फ्लड. इट इज़ बिलीव दैट ऑब्वियसली Indus Valley civilization was situated beside a river, तो floods के chances बहुत ज़्यादा थे. It is believed that the amount of rainfall increased around 3000 BC and later declined. This may have affected the agriculture and animal breed. Many scholars contend that decrease in the fertility of soil because of increased salinity left to the desertification of the area. Changes in this course of river may have led to the destructive floods and decline. Obviously इस ऐसा भी माना जाता है कि जो रिवर का कोर्स है उसकी चेंज होने की वजह से वहाँ पे ड्रॉट्स आ पाए, जिसकी वजह से वो सिविलाइजेशन डिक्लाइन हो गया. Deforestation. The people in Indus Valley civilization used woods in large quantities to produce bronze and to make potteries. लार्ज नंबर में वहाँ पे ट्रीज काटे जाते थे टू मेक वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ फर्नीचर, बोर्ड्स, ज्वेलरी, विच लेड्स टू द deforestation, and deforestation result into various climatic change. This is the second reason. Earthquake was the third reason. It is believed by several historians that earthquakes resulted in the change in the course of river Indus. Earthquake की वजह से जो इंडस रिवर का वैली है उसका कोर्स अलग हो गया, which has led to the inundation of the inner areas of Mohenjo-daro. Attack of Aryans. Attack of Aryans is like historians like Montemere Wheeler believe that the Aryans coming from Central Asia invaded and destroyed the Indus settlement. The discovery of skeletons of several women's children indicate that Harappans probably met some violent death. In the last phase of Mohenjo-daro, skeletons of women has been found laying in the streets. Skeleton of 13 males, females, and one has been discovered from one of the rooms. This indicates the civilization decline as a result of the act of invading Aryans. बोला जाता है कि आर्यंस के अटैक की वजह से, क्योंकि वहाँ पे स्केलेटन्स पाए गए थे स्ट्रीट्स में, ऑब्वियसली स्ट्रीट्स में ऐसे कोई स्केलेटन्स या कोई डेड बॉडी रख नहीं सकता, दैट्स वाई दिस रीज़न केम टू इंटैक्ट, दैट इज़ अटैक ऑफ आर्यंस. देयर वाज 13 मेल एंड फीमेल एंड 1 child has been discovered from a room. These were the reasons why the attack of Aryans came into the belief that leads to the decline of the civilization.
तो यहाँ पे एंड होता है हमारा फर्स्ट चैप्टर द हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन.